verse 46 of Rasa Lila. Bahu prasara pariramba karala kuru nevi stanalabana narmana kagra patte Shreyavaloka hasiter brajasundarinam utambayam ratimpatim ramayan chakara. He says the gopis' prem is covered, their love for Krishna is covered by a natural shyness. And Krishna arouses that highest prem within them. Because that's what it's saying. It's saying in the verse Rati. Rati means the highest degree of affection. And Krishna shows great attraction for them by embracing them tightly with his arms. And he accepts them because they're so qualified. What are the qualities of the gopis? Their great beauty and their great love. So this is why, that's how you attract Krishna, with great beauty and great love. A beautiful mind and a loving heart. A beautiful mind and a loving heart. A beautiful mind means a mind free of selfishness.